Hey stock market students, wanted to show you Morningstar.com. It's a cool site for looking up information on your companies that you might want to add to your portfolio during the class here. So I wanted to show you, this is the home page. Now when you first enter Morningstar.com in your browser, you're going to get an advertisement. It's going to show up first, and the only thing that you need to do is look where it says go to Morningstar.com, like skip the ad, go to Morningstar.com or continue on to the site. Just click that and it'll take you to this home page here. So here we are at the home page. Now look at these gray buttons. You've got membership, home, portfolio, stocks, bonds, etc. all the way across. You're going to click on stocks. This is going to enable you to find your companies and make sure that they are listed on the stock exchange. Okay, and over here on the left-hand side there's a blue menu bar, and so we're going to scroll down till we find Tools. Okay, so here's the heading Tools, and then look here at the second button down. It says Ticker Lookup. Now the ticker symbol is 3 or 4 letters that stand for your company. It's like a short notation to indicate your company on the stock exchange. So we're going to click on Ticker Lookup. Okay, now here's where you have to do a little bit of research, and you have to be patient, and you have to keep trying to solve a puzzle, because sometimes the companies that you're interested in researching, the name of the company is not exactly how they're known officially on the stock exchange. So for instance, I'm going to look up John Deere. Okay, and so look here at my choices in the blue box. Name starts with, name contains, or if you know the ticker, enter ticker. This is if you've seen a ticker symbol and you just don't know what it means. You've seen 3 or 4 letters and you've seen a graph and you've seen how they're performing, but it's like, what company is that anyway? Okay, so you would enter the ticker symbol to find out the name. So for instance, I happen to know that Apple is AAPL, but let's just say for argument's sake I didn't know that, and I wanted to find out what is AAPL. Okay, so I'm going to type in AAPL and I'm going to click this little button, enter. Okay, and then I find out that AAPL stands for Apple Incorporated. And so here's all of the financial information for Apple Incorporated. Okay, now let's go back. Now I'm going to look up John Deere, because a couple of you mentioned John Deere might be a good company because it's a company whose products you use. So I'm going to type in John Deere. Name contains. We could not find the security John Deere that you're looking for. Please try again using the search below. Okay, well let's see. I can go here to the bottom. If you're looking for general information or articles related to a term or company, use this box. So I could put John Deere in there and see what I come up with, because John Deere may not be the way that the company is listed on the stock exchange. So let's find out, see if we can get any other information. Okay, new Morningstar analyst report for oh, here we go, Deere and Company. All right, well that gives us something to look at here. All right, so instead of John Deere, let's do Deere and Company. Okay, maybe we'll just use Deere. Name contains Deere. Okay, now we have it. All right, so we can see our search results gave us 3 different ticker symbols on different, actually 2 different ticker symbols, but 3 different exchanges. But here we can see NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, and the ticker symbol for Deere and Company is DE. Okay, so this would give you information on how to look up your company and what the ticker symbol is for that company. So let's click on the DE and we'll be taken to the company's profile page. And here we can see what the current, very last trading price for a share of John Deere or Deere and Company was $87.88. And then here, and we'll learn more about how to read a stock table, but here is all the other financial information. Over the last year, the high and low for this stock has been $79.50 all the way up to $95.60. So $87.89 is almost to the highest price in the last year. So, and as we see for the day, the stock price is down a bit. And we can see the trend here. This neat graph shows us the trend. The trend in the price is down. And in fact, for today, it's down pretty far. Okay. And then as we scroll down, news and events, and here we have headlines. And then we can go to Morningstar commentary. This would be anything regarding John or Deere and Company. We can look up news and information for Deere and Company. Press releases, these would be news items that the Deere and Company would have released to the press. Commentary and headlines would be independent analysts writing news and information about Deere and Company. Okay, so there's loads and loads of information on the Deere and Company page here, but this is how you would find a company on Morningstar to start doing research on your particular companies that you're interested in. You need to find the actual listing name of the company and the ticker symbol, and then find that company's profile page so that you can start to do some research on whether or not you think that this company would be a good company to add to your portfolio. Okay, so again, we're going to go back, okay, to our ticker lookup. So this is the link that I'm providing for you on the class page. Use the ticker lookup to start doing research to find out if your company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange or if it's listed with the NASDAQ. And so this is how you can find that information out, okay? All right, well, good luck on doing your homework. Have a great time, and we'll look forward to see which companies you're going to pick for your portfolio.